In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to display more than 50 emails on Gmail. Now, if I come right down here, you see I have 50 emails showing here, and you can see it up here. It's 1 to 50 of 1,243. So it means I keep needing to be clicking and scrolling to the next page. But what if I wanted to show up to 100 messages here? I'm going to go to my settings, click on see all settings, and then I'll come here, and what I could simply do is where you see maximum page size, I'll make it 100. Now I'll just scroll to the bottom of the page and click on save changes, and it's going to reload and bring me back to the page. Now you see here I have 1 to 100, so I have up to 100 emails being shown here, which is quite a lot. That's how to see more than 50 emails on Gmail. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. God bless you. Peace.